Dear 6th standard students, welcome back to this video section of maths. Now we are going to solve exercise 4.2. Here we discuss about the angles. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 4.2 angles. We are going to discuss about the angles. When two rays have common starting point, they form an angle at that point. Listen, two rays starting at the same point. Two rays are there. Here they form the angles. Listen here, two rays are there. In between the two rays, that is angle, right? An angle whose measures is less than 90 is called an acute angle. Listen here, this is protector. Keep the protector, it is the center point, that is the starting point of the two rays. From here we see the protector in anti-clockwise direction. Here, from here, starting 0, like scale, it has the measurements 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like that. 180 till 180 is there. This is 90 degree. It is 90 degree below, that is how much? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it is less than 90 degree. So it is acute angle. And then an angle whose measures is exactly 90 degree is called a right angle. Listen here. Keep the protector as the center point, that is starting point of the two rays. And listen here, from 0 measures 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree exactly. So it is named as right angle. And then an angle whose measures is greater than 90 degree is called an obtuse angle. Listen here. From 0 it is 90 degree, but it is greater than 90 degree. 0 to 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 till 135 or 36, that is greater than 90 degree. So it is an obtuse angle. And then listen here, from 0 it finished 180 degree. So it is a straight angle. Next one, naming angles. Listen here, this is a angle, right? Listen, how will you name that? This angle, first see the starting point. So angle O. This angle called as angle O, or angle AOB, or angle BOA. So listen here, any type you have to name that angle. Angle O, angle AOB, angle BOA. Here center O, that is the starting point of the two rays. You should write center at O and change any name, AOB or BOA. That is the angle name. Listen here, how will you write that? Angle Q or angle PQR or angle RQP. So that is the name of the angles. And then vertex and sides of angle. Listen, vertex is the starting point of the two rays, that is the vertex. And then sides means that is the sides, AB, AC or the sides. Next one, two angles are complementary when they add up 90 degree. Two angles are 90 degree means if we add the two angles, it should give 90 degree, then only it is a complementary angle. Then two angles are supplementary when they are added up to 180 degree. Now let us get into the exercise. Here exercise 4.2, first question. Use any number of the given dots to make different angles. Listen, they given the dots. From that we form a angle. What they given? An acute angle. Listen, acute angle. Acute angle means below 90. So that is acute angle. Obtuse angle, that is above 90 degree. From that it is 90 degree. Above 90 means draw here, that is above 90, so obtuse angle. And then right angle, that is exactly 90 degree, that is right angle. Last one, straight angle. Straight angle measures how much? 180 degree. Below 90 means acute angle, obtuse angle, above 90, exactly 90 degree, that is right angle, 180 degree, that is straight angle. Second one, name the vertex and sides that form each angle. Listen, which one the vertex here? Two rays or starting point. The starting point is the vertex. And then sides means these are the sides, two sides. So we have to name the vertex and sides here. Vertex, first one D. D is the vertex here. And sides DE. This is the ray, no? So put the mark above the name. DE, ray DE and DF. Two sides are there. Here D is the vertex, same, and sides are DC and DE. DC and DE. That is the answer. Third one, pick out the right angles from the given figures. Listen, they given the 5 figures. From that we have to pick out the right angles only. Which one is right angles? Right angles measures 90 degree. So this is the (90°). It denotes by this box symbol. So 90° first one, and then here also the symbol is there, so that is also 90°. Third one, and then 46, that is below 90, that is acute angle. 105, that is above 90°. 105 is above 90°, so that is obtuse angle. Then fifth one is also 90°, that is also right angle. So 1, 3, 5 are the right angles. That is the answer. Very easy, no? Fourth one, pick out the acute angles from the given figure. Here they given the angles. From that we have to pick out acute angles. Acute angles means below 90°. First one, 33°. That is less than 90°, no? So that is acute angle. And then 56°. That is also less than 90°. So it is also acute angle. And 89, that is also less than 90°. 1 degree is difference. So that is also acute angle. And then 90°. 90° means right angle. 100°, that is above 90, so that is obtuse angle. So we have to pick out acute angle only. So first, second, third only. First one, second and third are the acute angles. That is the answer. Fifth one, pick out the obtuse angles. Obtuse angles from the given figure. They given the angles. From that we have to find out which one? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means greater than 90° or above 90°. 101, that is greater than 90°. So that is obtuse angle. 129, that is also above 90, so obtuse angle. And this symbol denotes that it is 90°, so that is right angle, so that is not. And then 38°, this is acute angle. And then 89, that is also less than 90. So answer is first and third. This one is third in your book. So third or the obtuse angle. That is the answer. Sixth one, name the angle in each figures given below in all the possible ways. Listen, we have to name the angle. How will you name the angle? L, M, N or N, M, L or angle M. Listen that angle M. We say that angle M or angle L, M, N. Listen the starting point, that vertex is in middle. And then R. How will you find out that? N, M, L. So middle is the vertex. So yeah, angle M or angle L, M, or N, ML. These are the names of the angles. Next one, angle Q, that is the vertex. So we name that the angle Q, or angle PQR, or angle RQP. These are the possible way to name the angles. Listen. Next one. Which one is vertex here? Angle N. So they say that the angle N, or angle MNO, angle MNO. For each one we put the angle symbol, right? You should put the angle symbol. And then angle ONM, right? ONM. Next one, angle A is the vertex. So angle A, or angle TAS, or SAT. These are the possible way to name the angles. That is the answer. Seventh one, say true or false. First one, 20 and 70 degree are complementary. Complementary means what? If we add these two angles means we should get how much? 90 degree. 90 degree means that is complementary. Otherwise it is not complementary. Listen, 20 degree plus 70 degree. 20 plus 70, 90 degree. So it comes 90 degree. So that is complementary. So they given also complementary. That is true. Next one, 88 degree and 12 degree. 88 plus 12, 10. So 100 degree, it comes 100 degree, that is not equal to 90 degree. So that is not complementary, but they given complementary. So that is false. Next one, 80 degree and 180 degree are supplementary. Listen here. Supplementary means what? If two angles added means it comes 180. That is supplementary angle. But here one angle is also 180 degree. And then add with means it gives 260. So that is not equal to supplementary. Listen, 80 degree plus 180 degree. How much? 260 degree. That is not equal to 180 degree. So that is false. Next one, 0 degree and 180 degree are supplementary. 0 plus 180, 180. So that it comes 180. So that is true. Eighth sum, draw and label each of the angle. First one, angle NAS equal to 90 degree. Listen, first you have to draw a line, draw a ray, that is from the ray we raise the angle 90 degree. We have to raise the angle 90 degree. The starting point is the center point of the protector. Keep here and 90 degree 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, here 90. So you have to draw another ray. Now name the angle. What they given? NAS. A is the starting point. So that is center. NAS. NAS. That is 90 degree. No need to write 90 degree because it denote the symbol. Now second one, angle BIG equal to 35 degree. Same procedure. Draw a ray. That is the starting point. From that we have to raise the ray at what angle? 35 degree. 0, 5, 10, here 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, here 35 they given. In between 30 and 40, that is midpoint, that is the 35. Keep the point and join that. So that is 35 degree. What the name? BIG. BIG. Next one, angle SMC equal to 145 degree. Listen, draw a ray. Keep the protector. Center is the starting point. And then 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140 and 145 is that. 140 and 50 midpoint, that is the 145. Keep the point and join that. Now we get the required angle 145 degree. What type of angle is this? That is above 90, so obtuse angle, right? Name that angle MSMC. So that is the answer. Next one, angle ABC equal to 180 degree. 180 degree means right angle. Draw a ray, that is the starting point. Keep the protector, this is the center point. From that 0 to 180, 0, 10, 20, 30 like that till 180 here. So keep the point here and join that. That is 180 degree. Name that A, B, C. That is the ninth one. Identify the types of angles shown by the hands of the given clock. Listen, they given the clocks, and inside the clock, the short hands and long hands is there. You know that the center point is the starting point. Imagine that two rays are form the angle. So we have to find out what type of angle is this. This is the starting point. Two rays, short hand and long hand. In between the angle formed. What type of angle is this? Listen, it is obtuse angle above the short hand. In case if the short hand is goes to 6, that means face the 6 means it is right angle. It is above 90, so that is obtuse angle. Next one, the two hands are in the same place, face the 12. So starting point is there, two angles are same face, so that is 0 angle. There is no angle formed by the two rays, so that is 0 angle. Next one, listen here, short hand face the 6 and long hand face 12. In between the angle is, that is straight angle, so it is 180 degree, so that is straight angle. Next one, listen here, that is the starting point. Two rays form the angle that is below 90 degree. Here one in case the long hand face the number 3 means it forms 90 degree, so that is below 90 degree. That is what is that? Acute angle. Next one, listen this. That is 9 o'clock. So it face 9 and 12. In between the two rays, the angle formed 90 degree. That is right angle. That is the answer. 10th one, find the complementary angle of first one 30 degree. Complementary angle means if you add two angles means it should give 90 degree. Then only it is complementary angle. So complementary angle of 30 degree means they given one angle. We have to find out the another angle. So let the another angle be x equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree minus 30, that is 60 degree. So complementary angle of 30 degree equal to 60 degree. And then next one 26 degree. Shortly we put the answer. Complementary angle of 26 degree equal to 90 degree minus 26 degree. Complementary angle, we have to find out complementary angle means subtract from 90 means we get the answer. So 90 minus 26, that is 64 degree. That is the answer. The complementary angle of 26 degree is 64. Next one, 85 degree. Complementary angle of 85 degree equal to 90 minus which one? 85 degree. That is 5 degree. That is the answer. Next one, 0 degree. So complementary angle of 0 degree means 90 minus 0. 90 minus 0, 90. So complementary angle of 0 degree is 90 degree. That is the answer. Next one, 90 degree. So complementary angle of 90 degree equal to 90 minus, they given 90, so that is 0 degree. 0 degree is the complementary angle of 90 degree. That is the answer. 11th one, find the supplementary angle of 70 degree. Supplementary angle means like complementary angle, supplementary angle, if we add two angles means it should comes 180 degree. So like that, supplementary angle of 70 degree equal to complementary angle means 90 degree minus given degree. Here 180 degree minus given degree. 180 minus 70, 110. That is the supplementary angle of 70 degree. Next one, 35 degree. So supplementary angle of 35 degree equal to, what's the procedure? 180 degree minus given angle, that is 35 degree. How much? 180 minus 35. 180 minus 30, 150. Again 5 is minus means 145 degree. That is the answer. Next one, 165 degree. 165, that is supplementary angle of 165 degree equal to 180 minus given angle, that is 165 degree. How much? 180 minus 165, that is 15 degree. That is the answer. Next one, 90 degree. Supplementary angle of 90 degree. (180) minus given degree. What is that? 90 degree. So 180 minus 90, 90 degree. That is the answer. Next one, 0 degree. Supplementary angle of 0 degree equal to 180 degree minus given angle 0. That is 180 degree. That is the answer. 12th one, find the supplementary and complementary angles in each case. Listen, they are given the figures. Here it is straight line, straight angle, that is 180 degree. That 180 degree is split into two angles. One is 25 degree and another one is we have to find out. Let the unknown angle is, let the unknown angle be x degree. So that is x degree. That is supplementary, right? It is 180 degree means supplementary angles. So x degree plus 25 equal to 180. So x equal to 180 degree. Here plus means plus 25 means it becomes minus 25. So x degree equal to 180 minus 25. 155 degree. Therefore, the another angle is 155 degree. Next one, second subdivision, it is 90 degree. So that is complementary degree. Split into two angles, one is 30 degree and one is we have to find out. Now let the unknown angle be y degree. Angle y degree plus 30 degree is the complementary, that is 90 degree. So y degree equal to 90 degree plus 30, bring this side means minus 30. So y degree equal to 60 degree. Therefore, the another angle is 60 degree. That is the answer. 12th sum, third subdivision. Listen the figure. DBE is the straight line. So the two angles are supplementary, right? One is 61 degree, another one is we want to find out. Listen, let the unknown angle be x degree. So we add these two angles means we get how much? Supplementary means 180 degree. So x degree plus 67 equal to straight angle, that is 180 degree. So x degree equal to 180 plus 67, bring this side means it becomes minus 67. So x degree equal to 180 degree minus 67, that is 113 degree. Therefore, the another angle is 113 degree. That is the answer. Next one, fourth subdivision. Listen this figure, that is complementary angle. These two angles are complementary because fully it measures 90 degree. So we have one is 46 degree, another one we have to find out. Listen, let the unknown angle be y degree. Let it as y degree. So y degree plus 46 is complementary, that is 90 degree. So y degree equal to 90 degree plus 46 means bring this side minus 46. So y degree equal to how much? 90 minus 46, that is 44 degree. Therefore, the another angle is 44 degree. That is the answer. Here, exercise 4.2 is over. Children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.